To fix your credit card application declined and get your application accepted, follow these steps. First, understand why your application was declined. Common reasons include poor credit history, high debt-to-income ratio, and incomplete or inaccurate application information. Review your credit report to identify any errors or negative marks. You can request a free credit report from the major credit bureaus. Check for any inaccuracies or outdated information and dispute any errors you find. Next, work on improving your credit score by paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit account or taking out a secured credit card to start building a positive credit history. When reapplying for a credit card, choose a card that aligns with your credit profile. If you have poor credit, consider a secured credit card or a card with a lower credit limit. Make sure to fill out the application accurately and completely, providing all required information and documentation. Additionally, consider applying for a credit card from a bank or lender where you already have an account, as they may be more likely to approve your application. Avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period, as this can negatively impact your credit score. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can improve your chances of getting your credit card application accepted. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of any credit card offer and only apply for credit that you need and can afford to repay.